Creating presentations can take a lot of time, especially when you're designing slides from scratch. But with Gamma AI, you can generate professional-looking presentations in just a few minutes using artificial intelligence. So in this guide, I'll show you how to create presentations with Gamma AI step by step. First, open the Gamma AI website in your browser and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account to get started. Once you enter the dashboard, click the Create button and choose the presentation option. Now type the topic or idea for your presentation, so you can describe the subject, audience, goals, or presentation style you want the AI to generate. After entering your prompt, click Generate and let Gamma AI automatically create the presentation structure and slide content. And that's your full guide on how to create presentations with Gamma AI. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to generate professional presentations faster using AI tools.